So Jeeves, dude, that stunt was actually fucking crazy. Like, I actually thought you were dead. After that guy came, yeah. Like, how do you feel? Yeah, I'd feel like that too. Like, you hit that car at like Mach 8. You like flew right into the windshield. I thought you were gonna hit the antenna. It could have stabbed your eye out. Hit you right in the neck though. It's alright. As long as you're good now, right, Jeeves? Yeah, yeah. Feisty motherfucker. So yeah, that was a good. Okay. It's right down. Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Let's go answer the door with Jeeves the chicken. Who is that? Oh my god.
You stupid chicken!
Fuck! Jeeves, no! You son of a bitch! Fuck off, Jeeves!
I'll kill you, chicken!
Get out of here! Save your scraggling! No, save yourself! No, Jeeves! I'm getting hurt. For you, Jeeves.
Oh god! Oh god! My eyes! My eyes! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, tantrums! Oh damn! I'm down already, you fucking chicken. Why the fuck do you fly at me anyways, you asshole? Ow! I'm sorry! I'm sorry. Can we just be friends? Cool. Cool.
Are you guys good?
That was just for fun, Jeeves?
It was just a stunt.